I've had a few people ask me about my inversion table. This is not a paid promotional thing. This is just my personal table. And they ask me like how I get in. Is it safe? Does it help? So I'm pretty knowledgeable about the body because I'm a registered massage therapist here in Canada, and I've been an RMT for 32 years. There you go. I just gave away my age. Yeah, I'm 55. Anyway, okay, so I'm just going to show you from this angle, the dangle, what you do. I'm strapped in now. Then I'll show you how I strapped in. But anyway, this is what it looks like when you go down. Okay, I got it on hardcore though. Like, I have it on very hardcore where it just whips you down. But I don't like my head hanging like this, so I always put a pillow under my head. Like that. And then when I want to get up, you just put your arms up. You grab a hold of that. And pull yourself up. But I don't ever hang completely upside down like that anyway. When I want to do it, I hang so it's like, it's about like this. And I put a pillow under my head, and why I use an inversion table is the traction that you get in your spine, because you know your spine, you have a whole bunch of bones in there. And so it tractions it. So, I mean, through the day, we use our muscles, and it contracts our vertebrae closer together and squishes our spine. So it just feels nice to elongate our spine. If you want to get one, make sure you don't have any contraindications. Like, you know, like if you have high blood pressure or glaucoma or whatever. So just check with your doctor and make sure it's okay. I think it'll be fine. As long as you know, like I've been doing it for a long time, and I hang upside down, and sometimes I just use one leg just for like the fear factor, fun. I film it sometimes and be like, yay, and do transitions with that. But now I'll show you how I strap in. How I personally strap in, I like to wear boots because I find this kind of tight around your ankle, like hanging from your ankles. They try to make it comfy, but it's, anyway, with boots, it's fine. So I just lift this. I mean, every inversion table is different. And I can get released. See, I'm released. I want to get in. Like that. Then you pull it up. Then you go in. And you can't get out if you need your boots on. Like, you can't get out. Just tighten her up. So I wouldn't worry about that. I keep mine here in the living room. And you just pull these out. Like, I mean, every inversion table is different. Anyway, this is the cheapest one you can get, I'm pretty sure. Anyway, you pull these out, and then you can put them in different spots as far as how far back you want this thing to go down. When you first start, you should probably only have it about that much going back. Not all the way down. So anyway, it would stop it there. And then you can also adjust, you know, the leg length. You can bring it up or down. The further it goes up, then the faster you're gonna go down. So I have it really far up, so I want to whip back there. Well, mostly for video effects, just to make it look fun. Because I do fun little YouTubes where I go whipping back. So, but when I'm alone, I'll bring this down a bit and just go to about 60% or whatever. And it's really nice to have traction. I like also traction in my hips because I'm always on my feet. I guess that's it. I don't know what else to say about it, but it's fun. And also, it's therapeutic. Merry Christmas, everybody.